Hello, guys. Happy Monday. I'm going to go ahead and I did this video on YouTube for you guys instead of Edpuzzle because I thought it would be a little easier to show you guys. So just keep in mind that there's not going to be any stop and checkpoints, but I'll tell you when I want you to stop and do something and you can just pause the YouTube video. Okay. For my homeroom and for everybody, just a friendly reminder that this week is a full week of school, so your goals are 16 units on Lexia and 60 puzzles on ST Math. So my homeroom, you should have been working on this when you walked in today. We will watch the Mr. Day video in other classes or on Tuesday from my homeroom. And again, my homeroom, today you have wellness with Miss K, but remember she is also out today. So please make sure you're on your best behavior. I believe Miss Doty is going to be your sub for wellness, okay? So this is going to be your first stop point. If you look up here in the top left corner, we have a new set and a new day. So you'll need to get the jump starter from the sub, and you'll need to make sure you write in set 2, day 1, and we will go over the answers for this on Tuesday. The question for today is, what do you wonder about these pictures? So it's exactly the same as the last jump starter we did on day 1, just 3 different pictures. So again, you're going to stop here and pause and write down your answers for what do you wonder about these pictures. After you have answered this on your jump starter paper, you're going to put this in your science folder. So make sure that this is put away safe because we will be going over the answers on Tuesday. Obviously, we can't do our daily chant today, guys. Sorry. We do have a motivational Monday quote, and it is, do what's right even when no one is watching. We call this integrity. Be thinking about this quote for tomorrow when I get back. All right. Now this part, you're going to need to get the half sheet of paper from the sub, okay, because we have a new wow word. You'll also, if you need a glue stick, make sure you also get a glue stick from the sub. Please return my glue sticks though, because I only have so many. For Monday, you're just taking your half sheet and you're going to glue this. I'll change this really quick. You're going to glue this on page 4 in your notebook. Okay, so you should have 2 other wow words and our lab safety notes in your notebook already. This is going to go on page 4. Make sure you leave room to draw. And the word that you're writing this week is the word infer, I-N-F-E-R. So here you're going to stop again and pause, and you're going to put this into your notebook. You will not be able to get the next worksheet from the sub until you have finished gluing this in and return the glue stick that you might have borrowed. So make sure that you pause here and get this word written in and glued in. By now, we've only been through about 10 minutes of class with our jump starter and this wow word. So make sure that you guys are working quickly and efficiently, okay? Once you return your glue stick, you are going to get the first worksheet for the sub. And that one is called the 5 senses. Okay. So it says label each circle with a sense that you use to make an observation and draw a picture of what body part you use with that sense. So if you remember from our lab on Friday, we have 5 senses. We worked with 4 of them with our sugar cubes. We make observations using touch, smell, taste, hearing, and touch, smell. I had to think, guys. Taste, hearing, and sight. Touch, smell, taste, hearing, and sight. Okay. So you're going to write those 5 things in here. So you can put in and write touch, smell, taste, hear, and sight. Okay, and then with these 5, you're going to draw the body part that you would use those with. So for touch, you might want to draw a hand, smell, a nose, taste, a tongue, hear, an ear, and sight, an eye. Okay, so you can pause this here if you need to. All right, that goes on your front screen. Okay, then on the back, it says look at the photo and list as many observations as you can. Okay, so the picture that you're going to be looking at is this one right here. And this is a picture from Where's Waldo? And I want you to write as many observations that you possibly can from this picture. You do not have to write complete sentences, but you could make it a bulleted list if that's something you're interested in. So you can pause the video here and write down all the observations from the picture that you possibly can. Okay. Then on the bottom of that worksheet, it says, what are some observations that your class made that you did not? Please do not do this part. Do not write anything on this part. You can cross it out if you would like. We will go over this worksheet tomorrow, but you do not have to fill out this bottom part right here. You can just cross it out. Okay. Once you are done with this worksheet, you are going to put this one as well in your science folder for Monday or for Tuesday when I come back. Okay. And then you'll go to the sub and you'll get another worksheet. And it looks like this. Okay. It is called Science, and it is a few paragraphs explaining science. Okay. And the difference between observations and inferences. On the back, it has some vocabulary that it wants you to match with the correct definition. It wants you to list your 5 senses, and then what tool that you learned about do you most want to use, and draw a picture of that tool. If you need to take a moment and look up that picture, that way you have something to compare it to, that's totally fine. If you happen to get done with all of that, then you may work on ST Math. Okay. If you would like to work on Lexia, that's fine. But remember, you must have your headphones to work on Lexia. Okay. So 4 things that you are responsible for today: your jump starter, your wow word, your 5 senses worksheet, and then your science worksheet, which is right here. All right. Thanks, guys. Please be on your best behavior. If you need to email me or message me on Canva, let's see, on Canvas, here we go. It is here. Let me pull it up for you so I can show you how. I was walking one of the classes through it. On the left side here, you can go to inbox and you can compose a message to me right here in the corner. Okay, so you would just select the course that you want to send it to me, and it is Science Donnie, and you can write for me any questions that you might potentially have. Okay, I hope you guys have a great Monday. I will see you back on Tuesday. Email me if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.